In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see thumbnails in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's begin by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is the first and most crucial step in accessing the thumbnails. As you do this, ensure that the file you want to work with is saved on your computer and easily accessible. When you double-click the PDF file, Adobe Acrobat will launch and the document will appear on your screen. This is important because the software needs to read the file before we can manipulate it. You will see the document layout with text, images, and other elements. Once the PDF is open, you are ready for the next step. Next up, look at the left sidebar of your Adobe Acrobat interface. Here you will find various icons that serve different functions. One of these icons looks like two small pages stacked vertically. This is the page thumbnails icon. It's essential to identify this icon because it allows you to view all the pages in your PDF document at a glance. Clicking on this icon will enable a feature that can significantly enhance your navigation experience. Spend a moment locating it, as this little step sets the stage for easier document management. Once you click the page thumbnails icon, the thumbnail pane will open. You will see a vertical list of all pages in the document displayed as small images. This visual representation is incredibly useful as it lets you quickly scan through your document. You can easily find the page you want without scrolling through the entire PDF. Each thumbnail provides a snapshot of the content on that page. This feature not only saves you time, but also helps you locate specific information quickly. After the thumbnail pane opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will notice that the thumbnails are arranged in order, corresponding to the sequence of pages in your document. If your PDF has many pages, this pane will make it much easier to navigate. You can click on any thumbnail to jump directly to that page. This function is especially handy for lengthy documents or when you need to reference multiple sections. Remember, knowing where to look can save you a lot of time later on. Now that you can see the thumbnails, let's explore how to use them effectively. You can click on any of the thumbnails to view that particular page in the main window. This instant access allows for smooth transitions between pages. If you need to print or edit specific sections, being able to see all the pages at once is a huge advantage. Additionally, you can zoom in or out on the thumbnails for better visibility. This flexibility makes your workflow more efficient and tailored to your needs. As you navigate through your thumbnails, keep in mind that you can also rearrange pages if needed. Simply drag and drop the thumbnails to reorder them. This functionality is invaluable when you want to modify the sequence of your document. It allows you to organize your content logically and aesthetically, so take advantage of this feature to make your PDF more coherent and user-friendly. In conclusion, being able to see thumbnails in Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool that enhances your document navigation and management. You have learned how to open your PDF, locate the thumbnails icon, and utilize the thumbnail pane effectively. Each step you took is designed to streamline your experience with Adobe Acrobat. With these skills, you can work more efficiently and confidently with your PDF files. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing.